Hey, good day. What's up? What's up? Good afternoon. Good morning. How are you doing, everyone? It's a new week. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good morning. You guys are welcome. 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 How are you doing? Where are you joining from? How are you doing? Where are you joining from? How are you doing? Where are you joining from? Let's go. Yeah, we're ready. Good afternoon. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Where are you joining from today? Super excited, guys. So welcome to Financial Freedom videos with Mayowa Owolabi. And every time on Wednesdays, I come in here to help you on Forex trading matters. If you're excited and this is your first time, make sure you click on the like button and share this video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Forex market, the opportunities that are in, and we're going to be rocking and rolling. Thank you for joining as usual. Ikechukwu Ifeanyi. Ikechukwu Ifeanyi, good afternoon, sir. I am pumped up. I'm pumped up too, my brother. I am pumped up too, my brother. So let's do that in a few seconds. Let's click on the share button. Let's help other people see this as we rock and roll. Great, 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 great. Fantastic. So let's click on the share button. Let's click on the share button. Hey, good afternoon. Coach, good afternoon. Ikechukwu. Yeah. Good afternoon, Adeni. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Tell me where you guys are joining from. Adeolu, Adeyinka, hello, coach from Ojodu. Good to have you on the call. He's joining all the way from Ojodu, Lagos, Nigeria. Good to have you. Tell me where you're joining from, guys. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. Really, really excited. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me before we get busy. If you have not shared, you want to make sure you click on the share button. If you have not shared, you want to make sure you click on the share button. Thank you so much. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fantastic. You guys are amazing. Thanks for sharing. If you have shared, type in I've shared. Thank you. Omoke Johnson. Johnson from Ogun State. Thanks for joining. AJZ from Port Harcourt. How you doing, AJZ? Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining all the way from Port Harcourt. Thanks for joining. Great, 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 great. Come on, guys. Let me get some feedback. If you have clicked on the share like button, let's put in some energy right there. Put in 777. Everybody, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Put in 777. I need that energy right now. Put in that energy right now. Come on, guys. You need to share, 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 share. Fantastic. Fantastic. I'm excited and I'm pumped up. I'm excited, I'm pumped up. And you guys know how we rock and roll it. Whenever we come on Wednesdays, we talk about the market, our potential entries, the opportunities that you and I can connect with and make good money for ourselves. And that's what we're going to be doing today again. And if you have your note with you, fantastic. If you don't have your note, you want to make sure you go get your note right now because we're going to be having a great, great time as usual. Okay? We're going to be having a great, great time as usual. No, no. What? Fantastic. Good. So, if this is your first time, type in 5. Type in 5. If this is your first time, type in 5. Come on, let's go. If this is your first time, type in 5. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's know those who are joining for the first time. The Forex Trading Outlook with Mayowa Owolabi is every Wednesday. And I'm really excited because today is going to be a great time as usual. So you want to really get ready. We're going to be, first thing we do is we check the currency in. So the first thing we're going to do is to check the currency index. And once we're done with the currency index, we move from there to also know that what are the things, what are the opportunities that are available in the market. Maxi, wow, AJZ says this is his first time. Pa, 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 pa. Congratulations, Maxi. Good to have you on. It's going to be a great time that I can guarantee you, and we're going to be good to go. Good. Let's move from there. Whenever we are done with the index, we move from there to great. Now, once we're done with that, we move into question and answer, the things that we can use to get to be involved. Hey, DGC says, DGC Forex Academy says, yes, Wilson here. Today is the first time. Wow, Mr. Wilson, how are you doing? All the way from Akure. Good to have you on the call today. Congratulations. I'm excited. Good to have you. So, guys, let's get busy. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. So, the first thing we do whenever we come on is that we want to know the decisions of the institutions, what they are doing, what is their opening. And I told you guys that there are several ways to get this done. You don't have to get into the Forex market using your indicator immediately. You don't want to come into the Forex market using your supply and demand, your support and resistance. You know, what you want to understand and act from is the people that rule in the affairs of the market. Everybody type in affairs of the market. Let's go. You guys know I want energy right there. Let's go. The affairs of the market. Now, there are people who rule in the affairs of the financial market, the Forex market. And we want to always move with them because they are the people that has the volume that we are talking about. And I understand that you want to make money. I understand that you are used to that chart pattern. You're used to that symmetrical angle. You're used to that double top. You're used to all of those stuff. But guys, the reason why those patterns are not consistent is because you are not implementing the strategy in alignment with the order flow. The order flow is being controlled by the institutions. And the institutions, they are open. They are open because there is a body in the United States that controls, that they must give report to every single week. So the question is, if the chart pattern you've been using is 100%, why do you still lose? If the supply and demand is 100%, why do you still lose? You are losing because you are not using those strategy in alignment with the order flow. How many of you have seen yourself? You win 2-3 trades, then you now lose 1. You win 2-3 trades, you now lose 4. Those 3 that you won is because it went in alignment with the institutions. And the ones that goes against you is because you are not in alignment with the institutions. Come on, guys. If you're excited about how we are starting today, put in 777. You guys know I need you to respond. The more you respond, the more I'm always like fired up to review more to you. So put in some 777. And I've told you guys that we have about 11 brands that controls the Forex market. There are 11 of them. This 11 has over 69%. These 11 brands, they have over 69% of the entire $7 trillion market. So the reason why you are losing is not because your strategy is not working. It's because your strategy is not in alignment with the top traders. And one of the most influential when it comes to the Forex market is is JP Morgan. JP Morgan has over 11% of the whole Forex market. Oluwafemi Adeolu, if JP Morgan has over 11%, do you think they can influence the market? Yes or no? Because they don't want you guys to know. They keep telling you that it's the broker that is manipulating. And you also, you are carried away. Does JP Morgan have the power to influence the market? If they have 11% of the entire market, tell me, do they? Come on, guys. They have. They can't. Because 11% is a lot. But guess what? The rest 31% that is left is what we all are fighting for. The rest 31%. And all of us as retail traders, we are not even up to 5% of the entire market. We don't even have up to 5%. Our capital put together is not even up to 5%. So the reason why you're losing trades, like I said, is because you are not honoring these people. And there are two ways to act these people. Are you ready for this one? There are two ways to act them. Are you ready? This is a premium class. Are you ready? You guys know I give some deep stuff for you guys. When it comes to I don't send, I give it all out. Yeah. Good. Are you ready? Fantastic. So there are two ways, guys. Two ways. Either you are using the index, currency index, or you're using what we call COT report. COT report for a lot of people in the mentorship group, the Forex Mastermind group, ITC, they have access to the COT report free. You know, and that's why I used to tell people that mentorship is not free. I can train you for free, but for me to be monitoring your success is not free. No, it's not free. So you need to learn currency index in alignment with your strategy. There's no strategy that does not work. I know a lot of people on the internet, they say, Forex is this. Oh, my strategy is the best. I am the guru. I'm the goat. I'm the boss. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. They're just using those things to bobo you people. And when they bobo you people fall victim. Every strategy works. In as much that your strategy has an entry and has an exit. However, can it be better? It can be better. But let any of these be in alignment with the institutional report. And this report is always submitted to the commission every Friday. Every Friday. So for what they will do next week, the report is made open to us by Friday. Then the implementation starts from the following week, Tuesday or Wednesday. So, Mr. Mayowa, is that why you don't trade on Monday and Tuesday? I did not say so. Come on, guys, type in elder, type in elder. Come on, give honor to him, honor is due. Okay, so type in elder right now, guys. Before I change my mind. I don't know, says elder. You know, he says senior elder. Okay, so apparently that is why you have to know the way these people work. And one of the ways is that you will be needing what we call the index, the currency index. And when you use the currency index, it's going to make a lot of sense. Okay, so let's get really deep. Let's get really deep. I'm excited. So that is why we check index every single month, every single week. Not because we don't know what would have happened, but when you check, it's better so that you are going to be good and you are having a sound report. Where are you? I can't find my, okay, cool, I've got it. Good, so let's go. So every time we start with the month, and I told us last week, I said that the market is currently on a drop-based drop, which means that JPY is weak and is reacting on this supply zone. So what does this mean? Across board, JPY will be weak. So anyone who goes to the chart and goes there to be selling, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and the rest, it means that that person does not have the information to decide. But when you understand that the institutions on JPY, their report is weak, then you can play with that. So this week, JXY is weak, which is JPY. So if JPY is weak, that means that I want to be able to buy against JPY. So we move from there to GBP. GBP has been weak for the past 2 months. If you've been following me every Wednesday, we talk about the weakness of this pair in this zone. And if you go and check all the major GBP pairs, they are already selling. Not because there is an engulfing candle and it's because the institutions are positioned to sell in this. So GBP is also what? GBP is also down. Okay? GBP is down. Then we go to DXY. DXY is the unit. And I've told you guys since 2 weeks that on this zone around 100, 105, 100, 102, the market will have a rejection. And that rejection can take us up to 118. And that will run for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 to 8 months. That's what USD is going to be doing. And if USD is going to be doing that, that means that till February, till August, September, November, we are going to be selling until there is an otherwise direction from the index. So note that down also, that USD is weak. Then we are also USD is strong. Sorry. We are now on Euro. Euro is on a flip zone, and this guy is complaining. He's weak also. So JXY, JPY is weak, GBP is weak, Euro is weak. NZD also is on a flip zone and is already reacting, is weak. AUD is also weak. CHF is strong. Okay, CHF is strong. And CAD is also strong. So it means that this week, I'm going to be joining the weak with the strong. Okay, so let's do this together. Everybody, let's do this together. Let's do this together. List all the weak pairs. Let's go, let's go, let's go. List all the weak pairs. List all the weak pairs. List all the weak pairs. Let's go, let's go. All the weak pairs. Yeah. Let's go. List all the weak pairs. Fantastic. Then list the strong pairs. The strong, not strong pairs. List the strong. List the strong. Fantastic. So your goal, my goal, is to now join both the weak and the strong together. That's what we're trading for, the weak. So if you join the weak and the strength together, now list out the tradable pairs this week. So go and use your indicator on them. RSI, chart pattern, these SMC, ITC, all of them. Go and now use them on it because the influencers are dictating the market. And if the influencers are dictating the market, I don't understand. Your money is $100 and you are trying to go against the people that has 2 trillion, 1 trillion, over 600 billion in the market. So it cannot work. It cannot work. Are you guys learning today? If you're learning and you're excited, type in I'm learning, I'm excited. Type in I'm learning, type in I'm excited. Let's go. Let's go right there. Let's type now. Let's go. Type in I'm excited, type in I'm learning. Click on the share button. Some of you are still stingy to share. I don't understand it. You are still stingy to share. I mean, I'm not stingy to teach you free. I don't understand. Are you learning? So this is one of the major things you need to be very, very intentional about. And that's why sometimes when I don't see a trade to pick, I don't do anything. If there's no trade, there's no trade. But guys, when there's trade, there's trade. There's trade, guys. Could it work? So Adekunle says, Adeolu says, $100 to fight the market. Could it work? Yeah, fantastic. Siri says, I'm learning. I'm excited. Emuka says, I'm learning. I'm excited. Solomon, Emmanuel, I'm learning. I'm excited. Nwanchuku Joshua. Joshua, what's up with you? How you doing? Trade for the week will be GU, NU, NCAD, NCHEF, EU, HF. That is it, my brother. Advanced students. That is it. So this is how to join and get the direction for the week, for the month, and you can scale up and you're good to go. Okay? So having established that, can we go further? What will be great? Augustine says, I'm learning. Ugochukwu says, I'm learning. I'm super excited. I'm learning. Fantastic. I'm excited you guys are learning. Ojuma, you came late to class today. Today, sir, I'm learning. Thank you. So this is what you now do. So this is the way I 10x my account. If I can now pick the best setup by the influence of the mentor, I now compound my account in that direction. And I don't need more than 1 or 2 trades in a week to compound my account. So that's why I don't babysit trade like a lot of you still struggling with that. Because you don't even have the foundation, you don't have the understanding of what these people are doing to us. Because if you have the understanding, you will not be doing, you don't be baby. You're going to the convenience, you are carrying your laptop up and down. It's because you are not getting it. And you must get it. You must get it. You must get it, guys. Okay. Trading against the big boys, like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Exactly. When you are trading against the big boys, it's like you're bringing that thing. So, what pen do you want us to work on today? Tell me. Tell me the pen you want us to work on today. Okay. Adeolu says gold, GU, gold. Adeolu says AU, GU. So two people say GU, two people says gold, GU gold, GU gold, GU gold, gold. A lot, almost everybody saying gold. Some people are saying Euro US. Okay, so let's start with GU. Okay, let's start with GU. Then from GU, woo! The news just occurred now, right? Let's go. So this is GU. This was the entry I gave you all, which is 1.2400. How many of you entered this trade at 1.2400? How many of us entered this trade? Some people told me last week that they entered this trade. How many of you are still holding it? GU. How many of you are still holding the GU cell? You are in GU. When I told you guys, I dropped it on the group. Fantastic. GU, you are still holding it. I think Aria said he ran out when he took some profit. He said I ran out last week. Okay, so my bias, since the investors are calling for sell, my bias is still sell, guys. That's all. I still sell. I'm still going to be selling. Okay, I'm still looking for sell. However, I don't sell everywhere. I'll be looking to sell at this supply zone. You know, some of us, you can sell anywhere. I can't sell anywhere. The same way I had to wait for the market to come here before I can sell. That's the same way I have to wait. If he wants me to sell, I have to wait to reverse before I can sell. Okay? Then if it breaks this zone, then it will place here where I can sell. So I don't sell everywhere. If you are listening to how to grow small accounts, my free training on how to grow small accounts or how to 10x your account, I shared that to you. That when it comes to trading, it is number one, direction, number two, location, and number three, confirmation. So these are the two places where I can sell. If I have to sell, I'll be selling at 2200, anything around 22, 21,500, or I sell around 23,100. So there must be a retracement, and I don't trade against the trend. One of the activities that makes people to trade every day is that they are trading both the sell, both with the trend and against the trend. And I told us if you have to be trading against the trend and with the trend, have a separate account. Okay? Have a what? A separate account. So my bias for, let me put my alert here. So my bias for GU is to wait for 1.21500 or 1.23 1.23500. 1.23500. That's the only place I can sell. Is that clear, guys? So I'll drop the analysis on the group. So it's going to be available on the Telegram group. It's going to be available. Yeah, it's going to be available on the Telegram group. I entered it a day before the class, still in profit. Omonoke. That's the way to go, my brother. This is really real, sir. Yes. Pastor Wilson. So let's check gold. Let's check gold. My bias for gold is also sell. Yeah. And remember, I gave you this 900 pips here. I gave us this 900 pips. Think about 3 weeks ago. I gave us one 900 pips trade here. I think it was from this demand. I dropped it on the group. Okay. It's because the institutions are selling that. When the institutions are selling, no buyers. Let me remove my premium list. You guys cannot be eating what premiums are eating. They pay for it. So those ones are paid setup. So let's do general setup. Not like that. But what I mean is that there are some points that you people will not know, which is in the ITC strategy. Okay. That's why I just give you the location to sell. Okay. So this is gold. My bias for gold is also that gold should sell. Okay. Gold should sell. So, but Mr. Mayowa, is it possible for it to go up? Yes, it's possible. Because the market currently is on a demand zone. It's on 8 hours demand zone right now. So the market can do a rejection and go up. Excuse me. And go up. But if I go by the reaction, I'll be picking this flip zone. Anything in this zone, I'll be looking for a short buy so that we can sell. Because the challenge now is that this is the first impulsive move. So there have to be a retracement back to the top. That can happen in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. There have to be a retracement to the top. So I can't tell you to sell right now. This would be my entry zone for sell. 98.28. Okay. So I can't sell here. For a lot of you that understand supply and demand, I can't sell here. I can't sell here. So what do these guys do in the nearest future is to use this place as liquidity. People that we enter that place, they will clear that thing. So, but I need a reaction to the top. And that's a lot. Okay, because I saw this trade, but I don't trade impulse. I trade continuation. Okay. It makes my trading very slow, but safe. Okay. But safe. If you have lost money well, you will calm down to trade what is right, not what you want. Hey, that's quotable quote. Hey, hey. If you have lost money well, you will trade what is right, not what you want. Ah, that's quotable quote, guys. Sha, sha, sha. That's quotable quote. Okay, so let's. So I strongly feel that gold needs to find a way to go back to the top, apparently. But for intraday traders, can we find something to do? For intraday traders, we might have to just look for a confirmation on this zone, which I don't see it happen. Okay, some of you are what breakout traders, you know, this place that some of you have entered, you know. They just have to pick the one that suits you, sha. That's the basics. That's the basics. So I don't see anything right here in gold because I don't want to buy, do this kind of buy here when the market is not ready. So what I would tell you to do is to hold on for clarity. Gold does not have the capacity to keep dropping down. He has to do some retracement. Okay, you can see it here. It dropped heavily, then he retraced back to the top before he eventually dropped. Okay, he dropped heavily, eh? Before he retraced back to the top and before he eventually dropped. So if I didn't catch this sell here, I will not jump in when this guy is going down. I will jump in on the retracement. Okay, so what a lot of you guys do is that so far it's going down, let me enter. So gold, really nothing on gold right now, okay? Except you can create one. But right now, there's nothing on gold. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. Is that clear? Tell me. Is it making sense? Is it making sense? This is adding icing sugar to the cake, sir. I am enjoying this class even for the first time, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, Aria says, got that. Let's go. Is it clear? Let me get your feedback right now. Fantastic. Let's go. Making real sense. Omonake says, gold is my friend. Very clear. Clear. Fantastic. So let's speak other analysis you guys want us to talk, to touch, to analyze. Okay, so what's the next one? Tell me. We've done gold, we've done GU. Oh, God. Tell me, tell me. Okay, Nwanchuku says Euro USD. What's the next one? What pair you guys want us to work on? What pair? Type in the pairs, guys. Let's go. Another person says EU. Another person says AU. Apollos Johnson says AU. Ijeze says AU. Rio says GBPCAD. Euro card. So let's do a general answer. Since Euro is weak and USD is strong, what will you do on Euro USD? Tell me. Since AUD is weak and USD is strong, what do you do on AU? Good. Okay, Nehemiah Nelson says GBP is weak, JPY is weak. What do you expect? Adekunle Gold, Ayola. We've analyzed gold already. Sell, sell, sell. Abel says GU dropping massively from the CP high update. It's because, oh God, can I shake table today? Can I shake table? Can I shake table today? Can I shake table today? There's the CPI cannot go against the institutions. Oh, if the institutions are selling, what will the interest guys be doing? They will go in alignment now. So that's why I don't check news. Are you with me, Niabo? Before the news happen, some of my people, some people that go from that journey, they go from, so we are already aware since more than 2 weeks that is selling. So when the fundamentals comes in, the fundamentals will now do what? Will now add to it. So that is, and that's why I don't like to talk down fundamentals. Fundamentals are amazing, especially those that are intraday traders, scalpers. I beg you, always check news before you trade. But for some of us that are swing traders, institutional traders, we don't need it because the go with the alignment. We'll always move in alignment. I can't remember the last time I checked for Forex Factory. It's not pride though. I check it, I can go there now. But I don't check to say it's because of Forex Factory I will trade. No. It is what if the institution are saying they are buying, no news can change. They are the owner of the money. And there are some major decisions that the government, there are some major decisions the government will never do against their people. What makes you, what am I teaching today? Let me reduce it. The energy is high. Let me calm down. Okay, guys, before we analyze Euro USD and AUD USD, okay, those are what people have seconded. Everybody reach out to Bukola and get financial market code. There's no way, if you cannot afford my mentorship, you need to get these books. Why? Because I pour out my mind in these books. I shared my experiences and you can learn from it. Some of you is $1,000, you can't afford my mentorship, $1,000, $5,000, you can't afford them, but you can buy my book. Okay, some of the books are $7, they are $11, they are extremely cheap that you guys should not joke with them. Okay, so what have I done? I've written a book on financial market code, and I poured out my mind, my experience in it. And if this is your first time you want to get this book, you want to reach out to Bukola on the number showing on your screen. Okay, you guys know we always go on break on 10-minute break. That's what, yeah, I don't sound. Thank you. 90. Okay, so reach out to Bukola. Okay, reach out to Bukola to get this book, Financial Market Code. Okay, the second book that I have on Forex is 7 battles every Forex trader must fight and win. Hey! I poured out my mind in that book. The 7 battles every Forex trader must fight and win. I gave you guys, I think 4 or 5. I gave you guys, some good training on that. But if you want the complete 7, is in my book called 7 Battles Every Trader Must Fight and Win. Okay, and that also goes for 5,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira. You guys know my books is 10,000 naira, but I've told my team to give it out for you for 50% discount. Get the 50% discount now. Don't come and meet me some months after to tell me stories. Okay, if you want discount, get it now. When the books are printed, it's back to 10,000 naira. Okay, good. So with 10,000 naira, with 5,000 naira, you can get 7 battles every trader must fight and win. That's the number on the screen, +23490 499900004. Bukola will attend to you. So get that book, Financial Market Code, 7 battles every trader must fight and win. I fought those battles and I did not read it anywhere when I came into Forex. Okay? I did not read it anywhere when I came into Forex, but my experience have taught me that there's always these 7 battles. One of them is the battle of strategy. 80% of Forex traders are fighting that battle. They will learn one strategy today. 2 months after, they will say there's another one. 1 week after, somebody will post a result on the group. You will pay for that course again. You go and learn. You are just jumping around. Why? Because you don't know that it is a battle, that you must just select one, focus on that strategy for the next 3 years, and audit it every 6 months. Am I doing what I'm meant to be doing? I said all of that in that book. So reach out to Bukola and she will give you that book for that price. Okay. The third book that I'm going to be giving out also in the month of February is the psychology required to win in the Forex market, the psychology to succeed in the Forex market. So what I decided to do with my team is that would be a 80% discount. Instead of 5,000, I think my team said it's going to go out for 2,000 naira, just for a lot of people who are fighting psychology. They can win that. So reach out to Bukola. You can get the financial market code. You can get the psychology needed to succeed, and also 7 battles. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Then from there, we move into cryptocurrency. I also have the cryptocurrency code. Tomorrow is cryptocurrency. You that follow me will say, Mr. Mayowa, until this Bitcoin comes down. I've told you where I'm buying Bitcoin. Okay. I've told you guys that this is the time to trade futures. Trade futures. Okay. Cryptocurrency code, get it. Cryptocurrency checklist, get it. And I have wealth creation blueprint. When you make money in the Forex market, don't go and buy car first. A lot of you, the first money you make, you are buying car, you are showing. I don't know who is competing with you. Go and buy properties. Go and buy things that will give you income. That's what I said in here. So go and get that book and we're good to go. Okay? And for a lot of you that want me to mentor you, you can reach out to Bukola. It's $1,000 instead of 11,000 US dollars. We are enjoying 90% discount, and I think that's good. Okay, so do that before we increase the price, which we're going to be doing in the month of March. I told you guys that we are launching our new website. Our new website has a lot of stuffs in there. So people can log in, people can get mails, people can get mail alert, you can get a lot of details. We'll be going through that. So right now, this is the time to join the mastery. It's a 1-year program. My mentorship is not 1 month. Okay, I've been here for a while and I've trained so many people. And I've seen that the people that are succeeding are people that have spent minimum 6 months to 1 year focusing on one strategy. So that's why we don't do one monthly mentorship, because I don't want you to, I don't have all the time. So if I'm going to mentor you, I want to mentor you right. So that's why it is 1 year mentorship. And with your 1 year, you have access to my trade ideas. You have access to several bonuses, how to trade with um, COT report, how to get COT report every Friday 9 p.m., how to use currency index, how to trade top-down analysis, how to catch 1 to 20, 1 to 50 risk reward, how to enter a trade and hold for 3 months, 6 months, multiple months, how to 10x your account. These are the things that are in the videos that you'll be having access to. So you can't finish all of that in 3 months, guys. It's a lot. Okay, so that's why I tell people this is the time to get mentored. So reach out to Bukola. Okay, $1,000 for 1 year mentorship. Get started now before the price goes up. When the price goes up, the price is going to $2,000. So that, like I said, it's not for everybody. Okay, because of my time. Okay, I want to mentor. I don't want to teach. If you want my teachings, go to my YouTube. I have over 505 or 507 videos on YouTube. If you cannot afford my training, get there, watch it, buy my books, implement, grow up, join my cliques, my site inner cycle. Then we can go from there. But if you can't afford it, buy my books. If you can't afford it, watch my videos. You will learn so many. All the strategies I use, how I enter everything is on YouTube. It's just that you can't get my time, like that. Okay, if you're excited, let's get back to the chat. Show some love, guys. If you're excited and you're pumped up as usual, you guys know that Owolabi is here to help you succeed. Okay, if you're excited, put in some 777. If you are getting the books, put in 5. You are getting the books, you are getting the mentorship, put in 1. Let me get your feedback. Let's go. Let's go. You're getting the book, put in 5. You're getting the book, put in 5. You're getting the book. You're getting the mentorship, put in 1. Come on, guys. Get it before the prices goes up. I told you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so thank you. Yeah, thank you, guys. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we got 5. Thank you. We got 5. Thank you. Get the book, get the mentorship if you need them, and let's scale up from there. Good, 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 good. So let's go to EU. A lot of you want EU. Some people want EU. Some people want AU. So we'll do EU and AU. Just that they are both the same, They are both the same. They have the same behavior pattern. Joshua is going for mentorship. Please reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Reach out. Maxwell is going for mentorship. Reach out to Bukola. She will help you get started right. Ariose is going for the books now. And when he's ready, go for mentor. Please get it. Get it. That's the way you can get my thoughts. You can get my experiences. You can't get my experiences. I've been here, guys. My first trading account was 2010. That's when I opened my first life account. I've lost money. It's just I did not quit. I lost several money. I just didn't quit. If some of you have lost what I've lost, then you will stop trading. But I just didn't quit. And I beg you, don't quit. You are very close. Don't quit. I beg you. Don't quit. Okay? So like I said, AU sell. AU sell. So for me to sell, I have to wait for the market to come back to the top here, or I go in anything above here. I'll be selling. But right now, Mr. Mayowa, This guy is here. What can I do? Yeah, that means that you're going to be trading against the trend. Okay, you're going to be trading against the trend. So when you're trading against the trend, you either reduce your risk or you don't trade it. Yeah, and this is a good approach. Either you stick to the rules of engagement. Okay, let me show you a simple case study. Let me show you a simple case study. So if you check this now, when this impulse move came down, it came down into this flip zone. And from that flip zone, you can see the market rejected it and took it back to the top before that main sell. The continuation always have the highest, not the first move. So what a lot of people do is because they are retail traders, day traders, they want to catch this move. They want to catch it anyhow. And well, there are several ways to catch such move. Okay, several ways. Several ways. But like I do tell a lot of my people, instead of struggling, to catch this trade, why can't you wait for it to come back for that main move? Then we can pick that sell and take that sell. Okay, our exit will be around 6100. That is our exit of this trade. So I'm going to be entering at 6100. That's what I'm going to be entering for. So right now I can't buy because it's against the trend. Okay, it's on a flip zone. You can take some risk. Okay, can take some risk. But like I said, I'll be more convenient to what to sell. So that's why in a month my trades are between 4 and 10 trades. Between 4 trades and 10 trades a month. That's about 2 trades a week. But they must flow with the order flow. Okay? So Euro, AUD, USD, anything above 7100, 0.7100, that's where I can sell. But I can't buy right now. But if you have to buy, you have to reduce your risk. Euro USD, buy. Okay, this is what I gave them in-house yesterday. Okay. It's also on the flip zone, which is against the trend. Anything around 1 point, that's where to sell. But right now, I can't sell here because it's not the right location. If you have watched my training on 10 ways to 10x your account, how to 10x your account, I explained to you that. If you have not watched it, reach out to Bukola to help you with the link, so you can have access to it. Okay, so I can't do anything right now. Okay, the best I can do is to take a risk to buy here. But why will I risk? I worked hard for my money. I worked hard for my money. So if I have to risk, then I'll go to like 5 minutes to pick an entry here. 5 minutes on 5-minute charts or 1 minute. Woo! See set up. Oh. Hey! See set up. Oh, see set up. Okay, so that would be 0.6800. That's a short buy. But like I said, it's not, it's against the trend. 7 pip stop loss if it works because it's counter trend. 7 pip stop loss. That's 1 to 14. If you take it to the top, that would be 1 to what? 1 to 38. That's what you want to trade. 1 to 38. So, like I said, look for an opportunity to buy, but it's against the trend, but reduce your risk. The main move is to sell. Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. I will not I will not quit because I saw something possible. That's it. Don't quit, bro. Please get the book. 5. Please get the book. The book will help you. It will change you. Please, have I helped you today? GBPCAD. I'll do it next time. I've exceeded my time today. Okay. So today we treated order flow, index, GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and gold. Yeah, gold. So I'm pumped up. Stay with the rules. I understand you want to make money, but guys, the rules are powerful, and the rules are only to be traded when the rules are met. Don't jump in. Okay, I'll be risking some money on Euro buy, but it won't be my core investment. Okay, it won't be my core investment. If you go in on core investment, you're going to be missing it. Okay, so that is why I have a compounding account and I have a normal account. A compounding account, I go in 5%, 3%, 2%, sometimes 10% compounding account. But my normal account, I don't do more than 1%. So you must be able to, that's the only way to be consistent if you really want to be. I hope I've helped you today. Show some love now. If I've helped you today, show some love. Guys, show some love. Let's go. Let's go. Show some love if I've helped you today. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow is cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market tomorrow. So if you are a crypto enthusiast, we'll talk about the fundamental, we'll talk about the sentiment, then we'll talk about fundamental sentiment, and we'll talk about the technical analysis. Now, I've told you guys how powerful these 3 works. Okay, if you follow the rules, you will make the money. But if you struggle against the rule, you'll definitely be struggling. And I don't want you guys to struggle at all. Okay, what will you say to my team and hi? Fantastic. Hey, Cyril say massive help, sir. Thank you. 777. Thank you. Joshua says, thank you, sir. Patience is a virtue. I'm telling you, it's not a small virtue, it's a big virtue. It's a big virtue. It's a big, like, real virtue. Okay. Yeah. So I'm risking some money on EU buy. Let me see if I can get what I'm looking for there. Then if I can get it, I'll trade it. If I can't get it, I will leave. Let's go. I will not quit. Don't quit, please. What time tomorrow? Tomorrow is the same time, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. tomorrow. Adekunle says, God bless you, sir. Aha, amen. Fire. Amen. Fire. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I've seen some things on 1 minute chart on EU. Massive help. Thank you. Thank you. More grace. Amen. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. So reach out to Bukola. Get the book. Get the book. Thank you. Much value. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a pleasant evening. Make sure you're using your calculator before you enter a trade. Make sure EU is going up. My EU is going up. Mr. Mayowa. Yeah, that's about 8 pips stop loss. Yeah, if you can do that, yes, I've entered already. That's how we rock it. You can see it. Mr. Mayowa, yeah, it's a 1 minute chart entry. And if you can go this way, I will hold it till I'll hold it till you get back to that supply, which is about, and that's about 1 to 30, 38. So if I risk $10, that's $380 return on investment. If I risk $100, that is $3,000 return on investment. If I risk $50, that's $1,500 return on investment. See you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye bye. Be good.